AC519 Plus, the world's first AC service station that combines automotive air conditioning, system diagnosis, and maintenance. Supports refilling with R134A or R1234YF refrigerant types. Applicable to gasoline vehicles, electric vehicles, and commercial vehicles. AC519 Plus can be used directly to enter Tesla's air conditioning maintenance mode without requiring additional diagnostic computers or tools. Equipped with wiring instructions for easy operation. AC519 Plus supports the addition of PAG refrigerant oil, POE refrigerant oil, and UV detection fluid. It can perform leak detection on vehicle air conditioning lines and locate leak points by adding UV detection fluid. Automatically performs cleaning, recovery, old oil drainage, vacuum extraction, new oil filling, and refrigerant charging procedures. Features a refrigerant database covering over 50,000 vehicle models, enabling lookup of refrigeration oil types, refrigeration oil fill quantities, refrigerant types, refrigerant fill quantities, and other information. Automatically performs cleaning, recovery, old oil drainage, vacuum extraction, new oil filling, and refrigerant charging procedures. AC519 Plus is capable of performing air conditioning, maintenance, and servicing for commercial vehicles. It features a user-friendly interface and is simple and convenient to operate. Automatically performs cleaning, recovery, old oil drainage, vacuum extraction, new oil filling, and refrigerant charging procedures.